Hey friends, I'm here today with the squirrels, Squire and Squire. They're collecting acorns to store up for the winter. Do you think we can help them find more acorns? Come on, let's go! It looks like Squire found some acorns. Let's see what they are. This acorn is the letter A. The letter A says ah. This acorn is the letter B. The letter B says B. Great find, Squire. Let's go see if we can find more. It looks like Squire has found 2 more acorns. This acorn is the letter C. The letter C says K. This acorn is the letter D. The letter D says D. Great find, Squire. Let's go hunt for more acorns.
Wiggle!
Giggle! It looks like Squire has found us 2 more acorns. Let's see what they are. The first acorn is the letter E. The letter E says eh. The next acorn is the letter F. The letter F says Great job finding acorns, Squire. Let's go find some more. Squire has discovered 2 more acorns. The first acorn is the letter G. The letter G says G. The next acorn is the letter H. The letter H says Great job, Squire. Off we go to find more acorns. Look, Squire has spotted 2 more acorns. Let's see what they are. The first acorn is the letter I. The letter I says eh. The next acorn is the letter J. The letter J says J. Awesome find, Squire. It looks like Squire has found 2 more acorns in a hollow tree. The first acorn is the letter K. The letter K says K. The next acorn is the letter L. The letter L says L. We're headed off to find more acorns. Come on, let's go. Squire has spotted 2 more acorns. What could they be? The first acorn is the letter M. The letter M says The next acorn is the letter N. The letter N says N. Great find, Squire. We're finding so many acorns. It looks like Squire has found us 2 more acorns. The first acorn is the letter O. The letter O says ah. The next acorn is the letter P. The letter P says P. Great find, Squire. Let's keep hunting. It looks like Squire has spotted 2 more acorns. The first acorn is the letter Q. The letter Q says Qu. The next acorn is the letter R. The letter R says R. Great job finding acorns, Squire. Let's go find a few more. Look, Squire found us 2 more acorns. Let's check them out. The first acorn is the letter S. The letter S says The next acorn is the letter T. The letter T says T. Let's find a few more acorns. It looks like Squire has found us some more acorns. The first acorn is the letter U. The letter U says The next acorn is the letter V. The letter V says V. I think we only need a few more acorns. Let's go find them. It looks like Squire has found 2 more acorns on this log. Let's check them out. The first acorn is the letter W. The letter W says W. The next acorn is the letter X. The letter X says X. We only need 2 more acorns. Let's go. Here comes Squire to collect the final 2 acorns. Let's see what he's found. The first acorn is the letter Y. The letter Y says yeah. The last and final acorn is the letter Z. The letter Z says Z. Let's go find Squire and take a look at all of the acorns that we found. Look at all of these acorns Squire and Squire found. They found 1 acorn for each letter of the alphabet, so they have 26 new acorns. They should have more than enough stored up for winter. Thanks for joining us for this fun acorn scavenger hunt. See you next time!